Hi everyone, it's Ruby and today we're going to be doing the rainbow cake kit. Firstly, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Next, grease all your baking tins with the grease-free paper provided. Next, mix your red cake mix, which is bag 1, into a bowl with 60 grams of butter. Mix this until it forms a crumb consistency. Now that looks something a little bit like this. Mix together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk, which is about 15 milliliters. Now that it's all mixed together, pour that mixture into one of your baking tins. Smooth that batter out so it's all level. Repeat those steps again for all the 3 other colours. Now that it's been 20 to 25 minutes, you can check if your cakes are cooked by taking a knife, sticking it in the cake, and if it comes out clean, like this one has, that's cooked. If you do them for all of your cakes, you can see which ones may need a little bit longer. Keep your cakes to cool in their tins for 10 minutes. After that, you can take them out and put them on a wire rack to cool thoroughly so you can ice them. Add 260 grams of butter to a bowl. Gradually mix in your icing sugar. Wow, that was tough, but I'm sure you can all do it because I know you're all super strong, and I hope you don't make as much as a mess as me. Next, you want to put a small amount of your icing in the middle of your cake board, just so that your cakes can stand nice and tall. To lay out your green cake on top. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of your buttercream into the middle and spread it round until it is all even. Repeat this for all 3 of your other layers, starting with the yellow, orange and then red. You've applied a thin layer to the top and sides of your cake. Put it in the fridge for 20 minutes for the icing to set, and you can go back and do another layer on the top and bottom and then decorate it with sprinkles. Now that your cake is chilled for 20 minutes, apply another layer to the top and sides and then decorate with sprinkles. I hope you had fun and I can't wait to see all your beautiful designs.